Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video, we're tearing apart the differential. That old turd is full of mud, dirt, and who knows what else. If you've been following this video series, we changed oil a few months ago and it was full of water. The differential was full of water. Put some oil in it, took it out for one spin. Bearings are howling like mad. So this video, we're gonna start the rebuild. So let's get started. And this thing here takes some strength. We'll just pull straight back like that. So I'm just busting these all free. I already got them loose, just double checking. Word of advice, don't take these screws out unless you broke them free by hand first. Torx bits have a habit of stripping out. Alright, now that we got the cover off, you can see this part here is the locker. Push down or up, and then obviously this ring here will go over top of there, and that's how you'll lock the axle. There's another look what's inside this differential. Nasty. So note to self, the O-ring just gets kind of pushed down in place afterwards, and then pull that off. Learn something. Then I was trying to figure out how this is going to go, but I bet you if I take it out of the vise and flip it upside down, that maybe some guts will fall out. Yeah, that's exactly what happened. There we go. So this is where we run into trouble a little bit. That bearing easy to change. That bearing easy to change. It looks like that's held in place by snap ring. Pull that out. This, on the other hand, that looks like it sets the preload almost on the pinion, and that definitely looks like it's threaded into place. The problem is with that being a 12 point, you're going to need a special tool. So I could either buy one, make one if that's the way it's got to come out, or do the rebuild and not change that bearing, which is only doing it half-fast, but I can spin it and it spins freely, but then look at all that mud inside. So now I gotta do some research and pull that gasket off, carefully put it somewhere, and see what I'm gonna do. I just kind of clean things up a little bit to get a closer look. These bearings are definitely shot inside. Now before we move forward on the rebuild, we need to get that nut out right there. Now what I'm going to use, this is I believe a 20 to 16 ORB hydraulic fitting. And I need to bore it out so I can get it to fit over top of the shaft to get that nut out inside. So I'm going to end the video here. On the next video, we're going to make this tool and we're going to pull that bearing out. so we can continue in the rebuild. If you guys have any questions or comments, post them below, and also check out my playlist for many more Arctic Cat 650 H1 videos.